Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin, for those of you that are new here. And I am so excited to be with you today to talk about vulnerary herbs. So to set a little context for why I'm sharing this information and exploring it myself, for those of you that don't know, I got in a scooter accident a couple weeks ago and fractured my right wrist in 3 places. So I have this awesome pink cast on right now. So this has really kind of veered me off course from creating like all these things that I normally create and really looking more into learning about them, using them for myself for healing. I had a couple deep wounds on my palm of my hand and my knee and my elbow from this crash that I took, this hard fall that I took. So I have been taking time to not just make the medicine and use it for fun and just general good health, but now using it for actual healing from ailments. So I wanted to share about vulnerary herbs. So vulnerary means that these herbs heal wounds, which is pretty freaking amazing, right? So I've been using these herbs on, as I said, the palm of my hand, my knee, and my elbow. And so I just wanted to come on and share a little bit about vulnerary herbs. There are many more than the ones that I'm gonna share. These are just the ones that I happen to have and happen to use. So there are other ones out there, but I just think it's so freaking cool that there are herbs in nature that actually can help us heal wounds on our body. Like that's pretty amazing. So these herbs are herbs that I use, these vulnerary herbs I use by infusing them into oil and then making them either into just body oil, which I put directly on the body, or making them into a salve or a butter, which would be something that would be combined with like a beeswax or a shea butter to make it just into a little bit of a firmer texture and then applying it to the wounds. So I'm going to share with you some of these amazing plants. So the first one I want to share is St. John's wort. This is not one that I made myself. I got this from mythicmedicine.love. Her name is Amber Magnolia Hill. You can see this beautiful red color, right? This is the hypericin from the plant. The cool thing about St. John's wort is that when you make oil out of it, you need the fresh plant, because if you look at the plant, they're like these beautiful golden yellow flowers. And when you crush them with your hands, literally red comes out. And that's the medicinal property. That's the hypericin, that's the red. So when you get St. John's wort with this beautiful red color, you know, it has a lot of medicinal properties. The other thing this oil is used for, or this herb is used for, is nerve pain and nerve healing. So I've been using it also on my knee because I banged it up pretty hard, and not only is there a wound, but there's some numbness happening. And so for me, that lets me know that there's some nerve damage going on. So I've been putting this on regularly. Let's see if there's anything else she said. Penetrates deeply into the musculature and nervous system, bringing immediate warmth, pain relief, and relaxation to your whole being. So yeah, I love this stuff. If you are looking for some St. John's wort oil, I highly suggest checking out Amber Magnolia Hill. Her website is mythicmedicine.love. Okay. So all these other plants, I actually have the raw plant and I want to show you it if I can manage to get it open. So the first one I want to share is lavender, which we're all like pretty familiar with, right? I love making medicine out of the lavender because it's just so calming. It just has that really calming, soothing smell. But I didn't realize until recently with my studies around wound healing that it's a vulnerary herb. So it helps to heal wounds as well. Pretty freaking cool. Also another one is chamomile. So I love using chamomile because not only for teas, but I just love the smell of it. It just smells so soothing to me, so like inner child, joyful, quirky, mama's love. That's just the energy I get from chamomile. You can see these beautiful, huge bulbs of the chamomile in here. So this herb also helps to heal wounds. So freaking cool, right? All right. The next one is calendula. It's got these beautiful orange petals you can see. It's also really great for just healing the skin, period, and tightening the skin. So it's a great one to use on the face. And I love using this oil for, yeah, just my skin, but I did not know it was a vulnerary herb. So calendula, you'll see it in a lot of herbal skincare. It's pretty commonly used herb for skincare. Okay, comfrey is the next one. So the one thing about comfrey, it is a vulnerary herb, but you don't want to use it on deep cuts. So that's the one thing I did learn about that. It's got this beautiful green color when you infuse it into oil, and I just love that as well. And then last but not least of the herbs that I have that are vulnerary herbs is elderflower. This is just a sweet plant. I feel like I connect with it. I'm a Harry Potter fan, so if any of you are familiar with Harry Potter and you know about the elder wand, then you know a little bit about elderflower. The elder plant, it's also the same plant where you get elderberries. So elder, you know, it kind of says it in the name, right? It's like has that energy of like the crone, wisdom, that wise energy. And it's also said to be a bridge from the earthly plane to our ancestors. So really cool. I just love the energy of this plant. I just actually recently made an elderflower and chamomile salve, which I did not realize was like a double vulnerary. So I've been using that on my cut knee right now. And it's just a beautiful medicine. So yeah, pretty freaking amazing that there are plants on this planet that actually can heal wounds on our bodies. So I just wanted to share those with you, share what I'm learning, encourage you to get involved and start playing with any of these plants, making salves, making butters. If you have any questions about how to do that, stick around on my channel. I'll be showing you different methods to create, you know, herbal infused oils and create salves. Right now, I'm not able to do a whole lot of filming in terms of like actually making stuff with both hands. So I'll be doing a little bit more educational videos and probably a little less heavy editing. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to continue learning more from me and with me. So yeah, hope you have a beautiful day, sending you lots of love and grace and ease and compassion through this challenging time. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.